Welcome to the WiseGuy channel. This morning, the WiseGuy found a very old video recorder from the 90s. We're going to start off watching the WiseGuy 35 years ago in his home improvement business. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Let's get going and watch the WiseGuy in action.
Alright, taking you guys along for the ride, opening up the time capsule.
Okay folks, we're going to bring you back 35 years ago, and here is what the WiseGuy looked like back then when he produced a video for his business. Let's watch it together.
Okay, this is the inside office. It's where we do all our figuring out. We don't really have a full showroom, but we do have some display cabinets in here. As you notice, we try to keep a neat working environment all the time. Very important. Got some flooring material. Arrangement of cabinets right there. We have a maple and oak. We have a birch that looks like cherry. We do have a cherry here. Let's step back here. God, this room's so small. Okay, that shows a real good photo of the display cabinets. Kind of shows it for what they are. We get back on the door. Display. Shows a little Formica countertop. And it has a little white oak desk. It's kind of our own design. Alright, there's the other display. This stuff is all, believe it or not, Velcro. It's made to go to the home shows. Alright, we'll work our way to the shop. A little Formica rack. Whoops. So we have a little bit for the customers to see. We do Corian. I don't know if you can see it, but we have a little Corian tree with our edge details, and we keep all the current colors with our Corian book on display. There we go. So let's go over here. This is the hallway, and it's leading to the shop where we actually do the work. It's a small shop, but it's a mighty shop. It gets a lot of work done. We pride ourselves on our 5-day work day, basic turnaround on the kitchen. Sometimes goes into a 6 or 7. We keep our material. We have a panel saw, another door board. Sometimes we do our table saw. It's our main saw, the one we like using the most. And we see some drawers built here. And a stack of drawers. And then we have Rich here. It's actually our foreman. Actually our lead man. Still working here late, huh Rich?
Yeah, it's pretty late.
Yeah, Rich is basically getting things ready for Monday. So we're on time. We're basically tearing apart another kitchen. And again, trying to get it done by Friday. Hopefully not going into a Saturday. Nobody's working this Saturday. Over here, let's take a look at this. We have a little Corian countertop. It's a vanity. It's a nice top. Has a Corian sink. We'll get a little zoom in there. And when this is installed, it's going to look really nice. This one happens to be a bathroom. Actually, we have here 3 bathrooms and 1 reface kitchen in here. And this will be produced, I would say this is not a Monday through Friday, but no later than the following Wednesday. As you see, our shop, it's clean, organized. We try to basically keep a professional environment here. We do have another table saw here, but right now we're using it for storage due to the fact that our space is limited here. Our supply cabinet, another door board. This shop is always up on top of safety. Safety is number 1. As you see, there's our safety glasses. We believe in that comes first. There's a little sign that us boys like to call our 6-inch rule. It says, think safety first. Let's see if I can get that in there better. The light's messing up. It says, think safety first, and it shows a saw blade. It says the 6-inch rule. Over here we have another little board that we really believe in. And this says quality is never on accident. It is always the result of high intention, sincere effort, intelligent direction, and skillful execution. So anyway, this is what we basically live. And our product shows it. We do a really nice product. Anyway, let's zoom to the other end of the shop. And this is where we basically get all our materials come in. We do have the doors to those jobs. These are a shaker door. The lighting's really bad here, so I don't know if it's picking up, but this is a whitewash. And that goes with that laundry room. And they happen to be here because this is a latex waterborne finish on it. It's one of the latest things that basically came out in finishes. Actually more tolerant to, say, wear and tear than old lacquers used to be. And we come over here, we have Rich's bike, a work truck, and we got our little molding rack. Always packed with molding. We have a job here coming up where we're trimming out a whole house. As you can see, there's a lot of MDF molding. And we'll flash back over here, and basically that's the tour of Lehman Custom Cabinets. It is a shop that can handle, I would say, definitely home residential remodeling very easily, and we do some limited amount of, I guess you could say, commercial work as well, case work.
Folks, did you see that 9-inch Sony TV in the WiseGuy's office? That was some state-of-the-art technology back then. The time period was before computers. All right, let's get back to the WiseGuy.
Back in the headquarters of our backyard project, finishing up my coffee. Found that time capsule early this morning. Anyway, let me show you what we got going on today. Alright, what you're looking at is the Firestone 45 mil underlayment for the 3-foot spillway, the pond, and the river. Let's get outside and pretty much get that installed.
Thank you for watching. We hope you join us on the upcoming videos of our backyard project. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe. And like always, we'll see you on the next video.